Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the auto zoom in corrections feature on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button and then click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on preferences, which is the second option, and then within the sharing settings section you can find the auto zoom in corrections feature as you scroll down a little bit. So in order to enable this feature, tap on this button next to it on the right side of the screen. So whenever you're making corrections in a picture, it will be zoomed in automatically. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.